welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a look that I already did. It's basically a recreation of my EXO-CBX look based off of their Blooming Day music video. It's a very light turquoise eye with some flowers, and yeah, it's pretty simple and I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to tell me how you like it in the comments below, and yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Since we're doing a halo eye, make sure to keep this space mainly clear from a lot of shadow. Focus the shadow on the outside perimeter here. To find your cut crease, just place your concealer on the lid and then look up, and that will usually show you where your line needs to be for your eye shape. For the shape of the flowers, you can literally do whatever shape you want. I'm just going to be doing like simple daisy shapes. You start with one petal, then make another petal, and then you slowly just build your little flower. If you see over here, to fill in where the flowers were, I basically did little dots, and it gives the illusion of smaller flowers, so literally whatever you do, you'll basically be fine. This is your creative license to do whatever you want, do whatever colors you want, have fun with it, and make it yours. Just make sure that the general directions of the flower are going in a wing shape, and you should be fine. On the bottom lash line, I'm just going to add some little dots of color as well to kind of resemble flowers as well. You don't really have to do this step, it's just a little detail that I like to do. I don't know, I think it ties everything together and it looks really cute.